How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can instantly find the Woodland Mansion in Minecraft. So if you want to instantly find it, there's only one way to do it. Basically, head over to your pause menu, click open LAN, allow commands, and then start LAN world. From there, you then want to press T on your keyboard, type dash, locate structure, space, and then you want to go ahead and enter the Woodland Mansion, or it's going to be a mansion alone. So let's go ahead and type something like Minecraft dot mansion, which is going to be this one. Hit on enter, and then you want to press on the coordinates right here. Hit enter once again, and then it will teleport us to the mansion that we got. So it's going to be this one. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.